Chiang Mai or Bangkok? This is the real question, because choosing the wrong one can completely change your entire Thailand trip. We've been to both, we've experienced both, and honestly, they couldn't be more different. So if you're planning your trip to Thailand, here are 10 real differences you need to know before you decide. Number 1. The vibe. Bangkok is chaos. Fast, loud, overwhelming, non-stop energy. Chiang Mai, calm, relaxed, almost peaceful. So the real question is, do you want adrenaline or do you want to breathe? Number 2. Prices. Bangkok can get expensive fast. Hotels, rooftop bars, tourist areas. Chiang Mai is a completely different story. You get better places, better food for way less money. Number 3. Crowds. In Bangkok, you're never alone. Ever. Ever, ever. In Chiang Mai, you can actually enjoy places without fighting through people. Number 4. Food. Both are amazing. But Bangkok is more international, more modern. Chiang Mai feels more authentic, more local. And it depends, do you want variety or tradition? Number 5. Temples. Bangkok has famous temples, but they are packed. Chiang Mai, on the other side, has hundreds, and many of them feel almost empty, more peaceful, more spiritual. Number 6. Nature. Bangkok, concrete, skyscrapers, traffic. Chiang Mai, mountains, waterfalls, jungle. You can literally go from a cafe to a hike in less than an hour. Number 7. Transport. Bangkok, traffic, chaos, long rides. Chiang Mai, simple, short distances, easy. Even getting from the airport to your hotel takes like 15 minutes. Number 8. Nightlife. Bangkok wins here. Rooftop bars, clubs, crazy nights. Chiang Mai is more chill. Night markets, live music, relaxed vibes. So again, what kind of experience do you want? Number 9. People. Both are friendly. But in Chiang Mai, it feels more personal, more genuine, more connected. Number 10. The feeling. Bangkok feels like a big experience, something you visit. Chiang Mai feels like a place you could actually stay. And that changes everything. So the question is, which one is better? Honestly, you can't compare them like that, because they're not competing. They're completing each other. But if you had to choose based on what you are. If you want energy, chaos, big city life, go to Bangkok. On the other side, if you want peace, nature, authenticity, Chiang Mai wins. And trust me, we experienced both. And after Chiang Mai, Bangkok just felt different. So if you're planning your Thailand trip, make sure you watch the other videos on this channel. We've shared everything, from mistakes to avoid to places you absolutely shouldn't visit, because choosing where to go is just the beginning.